Welcome back to the back of the truck. Today I'm going to test out this Earthquake little tiny Harbor Freight thingy. So on my service truck I run 1/2-inch air hose with the big coupler and 175 psi. So that's how I'm going to test it. I already threw out the directions because who cares. I think it's probably only rated, oh that's neat, look at that, it swivels. I think it's only rated for 90 psi, but this is the real world. So to test this thing, I've got my giant torque wrench. It goes to 800 foot-pounds, which I don't think we're going to need that much. I'm going to weld this bolt into something, then I'll start torquing this nut down, and we'll see how much torque that can break loose. Because that's the only reason I even bought this thing, was to break stuff loose in weird spots. This is an extra thick SAE washer. I'm not using oil on this because this is the real world. I'm going to start at 200 foot-pounds. I'm going to be feeding this air from a 135 CFM air compressor. So the compressor's not even going to know we're using this wrench. So airflow is not going to be an issue. Well, that's way better than I thought it would do. So like I said, we're feeding this more air than what the manufacturer recommends, and we are 100 pound-feet of torque over what the manufacturer claims. So we're definitely overdriving this tool. Is it going to last doing this? I doubt it. But I didn't buy this for everyday use. I bought it when I need to take something apart and I need the space. So for me, I don't care if the tool doesn't last for years and years. If it saves my knuckles, saves me from hurting my shoulder, saves me from hurting my wrist, pulling on a ratchet too hard, or pulling on a wrench, or getting a cheater pipe and putting on a ratchet, it's well worth it to me. So it actually broke this loose at 500 foot-pounds. I'm extremely shocked. And it did not explode yet. Still runs. Even though I'm using a silver socket, it didn't hurt the detent ring. This thing still works. You know, I don't see any damage. I'm going to say it's great, as long as it'll last. We'll see how long it lasts, but initially I'd say pretty cool. Thanks for watching.